The community, the event itself, the pageantry. It's fun to go out during Halloween and be with friends and dress up and run in heels. It's a delight. It's a delight.
It's my first time here, but it's so much fun, and I wish they do more events like this because it gets everyone out having a great time. Yeah.